बॉलीवुड में जितने इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं लटके झटके उतने ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं लोगों को नचाना एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस लोगों को नचाना इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क और आज हमारे साथ इसी पे बात करने के लिए हैं कोरियोग्राफर आदिल शेख वेलकम टू फिल्मी मंत्रा.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for greeting me here and talking so nice things about me. Thank you.
Okay, so like starting with your journey, how it started.
Journey was a very long journey, but I enjoyed my journey a lot. And from being a background dancer, being an assistant, being a choreographer, now it's a lot of fun. So if we go into talking about the journey, puri din or puri raat nikal jayenge. So it was an amazing journey. I really enjoyed the journey of being a choreographer.
Okay, so who's your inspiration?
Well, inspiration, if you talk about, I will always talk about my guru, Mr. Ahmad Khan. He's my inspiration. I've been always, as he pulled me from a dancer to an assistant choreographer. So I've been always looking at him. I've copied always him in work in every manner. And also he was always my inspiration in the style of work he does and all that. So right today also, even I follow him.
So from which age you started like this?
So you're asking my age. Right now, see, I'm 16 years old. So
From which age you started like dancing?
okay. If you ask me that thing, so I'll become like a 40-year-old man right now. So I'm not. So basically, I started my career when I was into industry when I was 20. And yeah, that's how the journey went. And how many years I will not tell. Otherwise, you'll judge my age. So yeah, in the age of 20, I started this career of journey. Yes.
Okay, so there are so many styles as we know, Arabic and so many like Bollywood free dance and everything. So which is your favorite?
My favorite has always been hip hop since childhood. Like there was rap, there was rave, but hip hop has been always my bass line. Whenever we do any style of dance like Bollywood also or anything, the bass line of hip hop is always there. And right now, since few years, hip hop has totally entered Bollywood and it's all over. You know, everybody knows what is hip hop. Everybody's getting into that. So which I really it's a lot fun about it, but also keeping hip hop a layer in your life, you also have to, being in Bollywood, you also have to follow many styles, like as you took a name of Arabic dance or maybe Bollywood or freestyle or folk or Punjabi bhangra, or you know, if you name, there are so many lists. So being into Bollywood, being a Bollywood choreographer, you should be I'm not saying amazing, I'm not saying excellent, but you should be good in all the styles, I believe.
That's true. Okay, so इसके अलावा भी मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी आप ही के बारे में like family में आपके background के बारे में थोड़ा.
जी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड तो बैकग्राउंड में ही है. सो दे आर होम राइट नाउ चिलिंग एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट एवरीथिंग, अबाउट माई वर्क, अबाउट द वे आई वर्क, द वे माई टीम वर्क. एंड माई फैमिली इज़ माई फैमिली एंड माई टीम इज़ माई फैमिली, एंड that's how we all always roll together, move together, and keep everything together. That's what is all about my background, my family, my team.
Okay, so what was your reaction like when you got the first award like from Filmfare?
पहली बात तो we were not like me and my mom were in the function, and even my team and my wife were, everybody were at home. So basically, before I got Filmfare, there were two awards already had passed. So in those two awards, I was dressed up really well. I went to the salon, you know, nice haircut, nice everything, perfect. I went for the first function, nominated. It was the best thing in my life. And never got the award, but it was like too much of fun. Yeah. Like being nominated, seeing so many stars, it's a great feeling. The second one also went that way. Third one, when I nominated for Filmfare, so I was like, ये तो impossible है, मतलब कोई chance ही नहीं है. So I never went to the salon, never bought some new clothes. Like दे दो यार जो भी है, just wore that, just went to the function and just sat. Suddenly when they called out my name, I was like blank. I never know what to say, what to do. Just went there, took the award, kissed my mom. That's how we went home. We celebrated the function. And yeah, that's what it always after this I started believing in, like you know, you don't expect for, sometimes you don't expect for beautiful things happens to you in life, it suddenly happens. That's more fun, I believe.
Okay, so you have choreographed like Ladki Kar Gayi Chul and Let's Nacho. So Alia Bhatt, Siddharth. So how was it working?
It's amazing to work with absolutely with youngsters, and the way Sid and Alia, they move, they be with you on shoot, and too much fun actually. They don't matlab, nowadays everybody, every actor, I'm seeing Sid, Alia, Varun, you take all the newcomers, Tiger Shroff and everybody, when you work with them, it's like, you know, like you're basically, you're having a good time with your friends. like how you call in a get together with your friends, you sit with family and friends. So it's like it always, to work with these people, it's always like that. To make them dance was not a challenge for me. And obviously, Alia and Sid, when they performed in Chul, they took my choreography, my steps a level up. The way they performed, the way they kept the character in their head, and everything was on right, banged on page.
Okay, so how much time it takes to make a non-dancer as a dancer?
It doesn't take time for me actually. What I believe in mostly is like you don't prove yourself. You have to make the other person look good. So basically, my job is always, when a job is given to me, my job is to make you look good. You know, like if you're my actor and I want you to perform well, to you look good on screen. So my pressure is on that. And I see first you dancing. What is your move? So whenever I work with newcomers, new actors, see who is established, it's okay. But newcomers, first I see how they can move. If they are non-dancers, they have some glimpse that they are good with their footwork, they are good with their kamar lachkao, they are good with their handwork. So there are always a special thing in every non-dancer. So I catch that and I choreograph according to them. So they always enjoy it. So once they enjoy it, they look good and your name comes again. So that's how I like to work it.
Okay, so there are like reality shows and Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Nach Baliye. So do you follow this serial?
I not follow actually very often. I really like all the choreographers, the way they judge, the way they take names of the steps, the way they kind of entertain people. I really love that. But I kind of not follow so much. I'm sincerely speaking. But if I be a part of some show, maybe I start following up really nicely and every week or something like that.
Okay, so as we know, you have worked with all three Khans, whether it's Shah Rukh, Salman, or Amir. So how was your experience?
As an independent choreographer, I've not worked with Amir Khan, but as with Shah Rukh Bhai and Salman Bhai, I've definitely worked. I've done Bajrangi Bhaijaan with Salman Bhai, and it was an amazing experience. Same like I spoke about Sid, Alia, and other actors. It's same working with Khans. It's just that they are big, they are legends, their name is big, their persona is amazing. But when you work with them, it feels like you're on a with friends get together. You know, like it's like the first thing what they do is they just meet you, they greet you really well, so it makes you feel comfortable. They make you feel comfortable. Their point is like, especially to the newcomers, they are like, okay, we are with you, whatever you say, and they never interfere in anything. Like we always, for the newcomers, basically it's like, ab kya hoga, matlab what will they say, will they like it or not? But they never say. It's like, you just make us do, we'll do that. So that's the best part about all the Khans, with Salman Khan, with Shah Rukh Khan. As an assistant choreographer, I've worked with Amir sir. He's an amazing, and as people know, he's perfect in everything. That's what I've experienced with him. As an independent choreographer, right now, I've not done any project with him.
Okay, so as you said, you have worked with Shah Rukh and Salman. So making who was like more comfortable with you, like Shah Rukh or Salman, and on your moves, like who catch it fast, like Shah Rukh or Salman?
दोनों काम में दोनों को डांस नहीं कराया मैंने. सो व्हेन आई मेक दैम डांस इंशाल्लाह, then I can totally tell you, Bajrangi Bhaijaan was a very storyline song of mine. So in that, Salman Bhai had never done any dance moves or nothing. And even with SRK, what commercial I had shot for, not too much of dancer. There is just like छूट जाओ, जो करना है करो. So it was like he always does the best what he does. So that's where in future, if I work with them, if I have a choreographed song with them, then I can tell you properly that who did the best.
Okay, so according to rumors, I'm just confirming you. We have heard that yeah, you are working with Salman again on Tubelight. So is it true?
No, it's not true that I'm working on Tubelight right now. But you never know. Suddenly a promotional song will come and the news becomes right that you're doing the Tubelight. So maybe we can meet once again on that. Yeah.
Okay, so apart from this, like as we know, that like there is Ganpati Visarjan and these things happens. So आपने कभी like उसमें dance किया है?
मैंने बहुत, मतलब when I was small, so the building I used to stay in, so always Ganpati Visarjan mein I used to just get in the truck and go. So my mother used to always look for me that where is he gone. I used to always love all this Visarjan and all. And also I was born on Ganpati. So my birthday is 9/11, 11 September. That's what when the Visarjan has started. Though the first Ganpati was coming, जैसे पहले दिन का जो होता है, वो आ रहे थे और मेरी पैदाश हुई थी. तो मेरी बिल्डिंग में सब मुझे गणेश ही बुलाते थे. तो विसर्जन और गणेश चतुर्थी और ये सब चीज़ का मिलाप हमेशा मेरे साथ रहा है.
ओके, सो यू हैव सेड अबाउट योर लाइक आइडियल जिसको आप अपना इंस्पिरेशन मानते हो, उसके अलावा बॉलीवुड में इतने सारे गणेश आचार्य, रेमो डिसूजा, सो लाइक किसको आप कैसे मानते हो?
I love them. I love them the way they work, the way everybody's got different styles. It's like for me, in my layer. So there are always like there are Khans, there are Kapoors, there are Malhotra. So there are layers. So choreographers में भी ऐसे layers है. So I always like the lower layers are like these newcomers, like me or maybe with me more people are there. So we always grow up watching these people, watching these celebrity choreographers, Remo D'Souza, Ganesh Acharya, Ganesh Hegde, Ahmed Khan, Farah Khan, all these people, you watch them. So it's amazing the way they work. And I've also, as a background dancer, I've worked with everyone. I've worked with Raju Khan, I've worked with Ahmed Khan, I've worked with Farah Khan, I've worked with everyone, Remo D'Souza, everybody as a background dancer, and watch them now also. And as being a background dancer, the experience was fun to work with. I really love them.
अच्छा, तो जैसे कि आपने भी कहा बैकग्राउंड डांसर से एक कोरियोग्राफर होना, तो कितना टाइम था लगा ये इस चीज़ को होने?
See, I believe that nowadays, though, it's become like every person who can dance, he can become a choreographer. But the actual journey people don't understand. The actual journey is to become a जैसे बिरयानी खा ली मतलब आपको बिरयानी बनाना आ गया. तो बिरयानी बनाने में और खाने में बहुत फ़र्क होता है. सो इट्स लाइक कि इफ़ यू आर बिकमिंग अ कोरियोग्राफर इज़ अ टेक्नीशियन. ही अंडरस्टैंड्स द स्क्रिप्ट, he understands the camera, lensing, everything, the edit and everything. That's how my school was there. That's how Ahmed Khan's school was there. So people, even my assistant today, everyone has been with me for 3 years, 4 years. Today also they understand the language of camera, they understand the language of editing, they understand the language of every detail which is in the song. Costume le lo, background le lo, foreground le lo, flooring le lo, asman le lo, jo le lo. So everything. So it's like that. So the journey is amazing. Once you know, so there is a particular point in life, particular point at a job where you become serious. Okay, अब I have to be serious and concentrate on everything. So when that time comes, it depends on you how you take it. Okay, साल लगे, 2 साल लगे, 3 साल लगे, 5 साल लगे. So it's like that. Amazing feeling.
Okay, so like, who's your favorite actor and actress?
Actor and actress.
Yeah.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये क्वेश्चन. फेवरेट एक्टर अगर बोल दूंगा तो फिर जितने मेरे साथ काम कर रहे हैं अभी वो हो जाएगा डिफिकल्ट. सो इट्स लाइक इट्स नथिंग. मतलब एकदम पॉलिटिकल जवाब नहीं दूंगा. आई ऑलवेज हैड लव्ड गोविंदा. आई ऑलवेज हैड लव्ड करिश्मा कपूर एज अ परफॉर्मर. एंड आई जस्ट वेट टू शूट देम, वर्क विद देम टुगेदर इन अ माइंड ब्लोइंग सॉन्ग.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's nice. इंशाल्लाह हो जाए. इसके अलावा भी like there is Amitabh Bachchan and so many Khan, like Nawazuddin and so many people are there in this industry. So आपका एक ड्रीम क्या है, किसको नचाना है?
सी ड्रीम आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू.
Yeah, apart from
ऐसे
Govinda,
ऐसे ऐसे कोई ड्रीम, सी आई बिलीव इफ यू कीप वॉचिंग ड्रीम ना तो ड्रीम ड्रीम ही रहता है. सो इट्स लाइक आई ऑलवेज गो विद द फ्लो काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. लाइक when you have challenges and then you finish that challenge, that is the best challenge for me. So I have never dreamed of ये होना चाहिए था, इसका मैंने सपना देखा था. मैंने आज तक कभी वैसा किया नहीं हूँ. So whatever came in across me, whatever came in front of me, that's the best thing for me and that's the best challenge for me, I believe.
Okay, so how long it take कि एक गाने को सेट करना?
Choreograph करना, you mean to say? Not much time. I guess difficult song we choreographed like what, half an hour, 45 minutes?
That's it?
So basically, what we do is basically me and my team, how we work is we play song and we start dancing. So dance करते करते whatever comes naturally, that's our choreography. We don't spend time के अच्छा वो गाने में ये step किसने किया था, वो कैसा था. फिर we watch 10 videos, 100 videos, like how today technology has become so strong that you whatever you type, it's over there. Like if you type right foot going to the right, so that also video just opens up and something goes. So we don't survey about moments. It's just that naturally if you go to a function, gana baja, how you start. So that's what you're choreographing it. So that's how we choreograph songs. Me and my team, we do it that way. We play the song and the song plays and we just whatever step comes, that becomes the choreography. Yes, on the hook step we do few options. Then we plug in dancers. When we plug in dancers, then we see is it looking good or bad on that. And then we record the whole dance. Then we see is it looking good or bad. In that we do options. But we don't work too hard to choreograph a song.
Okay, so Again, I'm coming back on your projects. So like अभी सोनाक्षी के साथ भी you are doing a movie like नूर में. So how was working experience with Sonakshi?
Sonakshi के साथ experience करना was amazing. Like working with her was amazing. The first time I worked with her now in Noor, Gulabi Aakhe and Move Your Luck, the song I've choreographed it. It really went well with her. Keeping the script in mind with the director, he narrated me the script. I was like, okay, I know what I have to do now. And the song, the director, Sunil was very nice, the director I'm talking about, and even the EP, Shikha Sharma, was very comfortable. They were like, this is your baby, this is the song, you shoot according to you, how you want to shoot. And that's how. So once the thing is given to you and people are confident on you, people know that you know your job, so it becomes easy for you to establish your choreography. That's how people are loving the songs. That's how people are giving good hits on YouTube and all. And working with Sonakshi is amazing. The bad part about her is one thing. She comes and stands on the set. So everybody's rushing here and there. Okay, oh, come on, now she's standing here, we have to finish work. So it's a professional thing. So it's like always when she's ready, she comes and stands on set. She will not sit. She will not go in the vanity. She will not go and faff around with anybody. She's just on set, standing on the position. So what that does is, she pushes everybody. It's like, do it, hurry, don't waste time and all that. So that's a one bad part about her. Baki to it's amazing. She's an amazing dancer. Getting out this style of her was a challenge for me because people had always seen her in South style dance or Desi dance and all that. But this song also she enjoyed a lot. The way I gave her the presentation, she really loved it. The way my assistants were performing, the way the dancers were giving the energy. She really felt the song, so she never had anything to change in the song. That's how we shot the song, and you can see it.
Okay, so आपने इतने सारे लोगों को कोरियोग्राफ किया. So आपका फेवरेट कौन सा था? Like which is your favorite and जिसने perfectly किया?
You're talking about actor, dancer,
Yeah,
or what?
actor.
See, actor, I cannot name it. Like, it depends on the song. Abhi, for example, if I have Chulme, if I have Alia, she performed her best. She kept the character in her mind. She did one level up, obviously. And for that, I got so much of, name and fame. In Gulabi Aakhe and Movie Your Luck, if you're talking about Noor, if Sonakshi is there, she kept her character in mind. She performed the. So I believe every actor keeps their character in mind and perform it that way. Is it bad or good? I cannot judge that right now. You know what I mean? Because it just with when you watch the film, when you watch the songs with the film, it just goes that way. So according to me, everybody does their best, keeping always the character in head.
Okay, that's nice. So few tips what do you want to give for your fans?
Right now, I don't have any fans here. So it's basically just I tell everybody one thing: just go with the flow and just focus on what you want to do. That's all.
Okay, nice talking to you. Thank you so much
It
giving
was a
us your
pleasure being here.
yeah,
Thank you.
giving us
Thank
your
you.
time. Thank you so much.